Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mojo marinade. Mojo marinade is a marinade used in Cuba to marinate meats, chicken, pork, beef, whatever. The ingredients that I'm going to be using today are 1 onion, 10 cloves of garlic, a handful of parsley, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, salt and pepper, and 3/4 cup of olive oil. When you're making your mojo, you don't have to put it in a blender. You can just mix it all together in a bowl and use it that way and put it in a mason jar. And if you can't find some of the ingredients that I mentioned, you can always change them up. Mojo marinade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. And if you're going to store it in the freezer, then you can store it up to 3 months. And if you've never tried mojo marinade before, you have to definitely give it a try. Mojo marinade not only makes your food taste better, but it also tenderizes your meats. And that's all there is to it. Well guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.